your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see here on Viber apps unread messages, but also you check all the chats and you read every message, so it's just like a log. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to App Store, just write in App Store Viber, go to search tab and just write in search tab Viber. Now just check if you have available updates. So if you see here not open but update, just update your Viber, and also mostly it helps. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to open general, and in the general you need to find shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this issue, so just try to do another thing. So just check your internet connection. So just go to mobile data, try to turn it off and turn on again, and do it with Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And also you can try to go to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So if you have another models of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So after you see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.